Welcome to my channel, viewers. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So in this video you will get very beautiful and very top class, very outclass ladies pant trousers and different styles trousers collection. Very beautiful, very latest and very fashionable, different styles ladies pant trousers design you will get from this video. So watch this video completely for getting ideas. This video is only for ideas. You can only get idea through this video. If you have any question, if you want to ask something about this video, so you can leave your comments below this video. And for more latest collection, visit my channel. Very beautiful, very latest and very fabulous ladies pant trousers collection are given in this video. There are some flapper style and some plazo style trousers are also given in this video, and some tights shape and some capri style ladies trousers design are also given in this video. So very beautiful and very latest designs are given in this video. Watch this video completely for getting ideas. Which one design did you like most from this video? Please tell us, so we will try to upload that videos and that content according to your choice. Viewers, this video is only for ideas. You can only get idea through this video. For my latest collection, visit my channel, and I hope you are still enjoying this video. So stay tuned with us, keep commenting, keep visiting. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you use social network like Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram and WhatsApp, so you can share my videos or my channel link with your friends on social network. Very beautiful and very trendy ladies trousers design, ladies trousers collection are given in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for giving us your time. Always take care of yourself and keep remember us in your special prayers. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.